We are often asked, where is the most colourful coral, best marine life, and the least amount of crowds? Find that and more in today's video. Hi there guys, Shaun here from
Yamaha. What? Not been with Shaun for a long time. Hello everybody, what are we doing today? Who are you?
We're doing a tour walkthrough of Koh Rok and Koh Rok, and you asked me
Can I just say,
because you've never been.
How long have I worked for you now? What, 3-4 years?
I forgot.
It was just after COVID. When did COVID happen?
2019?
Was it?
I don't know. I'm lost.
I think I've done 4 years with you and I've never been to Koh Rok and Koh Rok.
Anyway, we're going to walk through Koh Rok and Koh Rok, which is actually one of the nicer spots, but be noted that it is quite a long way from Phuket, and that's one of the reasons Jay hasn't gone, because it's too far for him.
Because Shaun's cheapskate and won't send
old.
Me. What? I am old.
Yeah.
I am old.
15 this year, right?
No, next year, Shaun. January. No.
January.
When's this coming out?
I don't know.
Who knows?
I realised I'm 41.
Yes. Are you 41?
Yeah.
I'll be the big 50 in January. I expect gifts.
Anyway, Koh Rok, which means 5 islands.
5.
And Koh Rok, which is actually 2 islands.
That's right.
Koh Rok
Is it?
Yay and Koh Rok Noi.
I don't know.
Yep.
Never been there.
About 90 minutes here from Phuket.
90 minutes?
Yes, they are.
Hold on,
as with
Shaun.
all our tours, they start with a pickup from your hotel by our wonderful VIP driving team. When you're going to come here to the pier and you're going to meet your guide, and they're going to say,
rolling, 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 rolling. I just want to
don't say that.
No. They'll say, hello, I'm Jay. I'm your guide today, and I'm going to take you to Koh Rok and Koh Rok, but I've never been there, so we might get lost. But before we go,
yes,
would you like to go and have some lovely breakfast? We've got some great breakfast snacks that you can have. We've got some water, we've got some juice, we've got some bread that you can make toast.
Can I say that Jay came here, but he bought his own coffee?
I always get
Jay is smart.
30, can I just say, this is from, is that All Coffee?
All Cafe.
Thank you. All Cafe from 7-Eleven.
You prefer 7-Eleven coffee to the office coffee.
30 baht, which is approximately about 400 Aussie dollars or 500 US dollars.
Or £1.
Or £1. Best coffee on the island. You can talk about all this artisan coffee. We grind our own coffee. We get it out the butts of some civet animal. No, 7-Eleven, baby. 30 baht. Happy days. Anyway, don't have the coffee here because it's not very nice. But you have a little breakfast, and there's also little seasick tablets. Only take one. If you take 2, you'll be asleep. And then you can relax. We've got life jackets, and we've got...
And this tour is going to start early because of the travel time, so it's probably recommended that you have some kind of light breakfast at the hotel.
What time? Joking aside, so what time should they leave?
Honestly, my recommendation is no later than 6:30 because I want to get out there.
So at the pier at 6:30?
Yeah.
Wow, so that's early. That's a 5:30 wake up.
From our email, when you book this tour, the 2 recommended pickup times will be 6:30 and 8. Those are the 2 recommended times.
We'll go for the earlier one.
The earlier time. Do also note that Koh Rok and Koh Rok has no restaurants. It's like Similan. You need to take a packed lunch or pre-order from our menu.
I try it.
Have we eaten anything of our menu?
No.
I have. I remember I last year I had some.
I'm not allowed to do that sort of stuff.
You should go taste test it.
Oh, now you say
a whole
it.
video of it.
Yeah, but
they're just over there.
I know where they are.
Yeah. Anyway.
Are we allowed to mention them?
I don't know.
No, I don't know either.
Check, actually.
Yeah, we should not say anything more. Okay.
Anyway, so once you've done once you've been delivered into the pier, you've had your light breakfast, you had one of the horrible coffees, you had a couple of sleeping pills. I mean,
No, just take one.
Sleeping pills. You're going to get briefing by your guide. They're going to give you a quick overview of what the day looks like. But do remember that any itinerary I walk through here with you right now can be adjusted on the day to suit you. So generally what I'm going to recommend is we're going to board the boat here at Phuket.
Boat Lagoon, baby.
And on the boat you're going to have...
people, an esky, first aid kit, water, soft drinks, fruit.
Masks, snorkels, guide, captain, engineer. Going to board the boat. You're going to slowly go out of Phuket Boat Lagoon where we get through our speed control zone and we're going to head out towards Koh Rok. Unfortunately, Koh Rok is not on this map.
Hold on.
Our marketing director is cheap.
What am I? I'm not marketing director.
Where's the rest of the map?
Oh yeah, where's Similan as well? Yeah. I didn't get these.
We need a bigger map. Anyway,
that's what she said.
On the way to Koh Rok, you're going to go past Phi Phi.
Oh, wait.
Generally, you're going to go the right-hand side looking out, which in nautical terms is which side?
Right.
Yes.
Starboard.
Yep, you're going to go the starboard side of Maya Bay.
Maya Bay.
And straight out to Koh Rok. Normally, we'd recommend to go Koh Rok and have a snorkeling spot. As I said, Koh Rok is 5 islands. They're shaped in a little...
Is it good snorkeling there?
Really great, man.
Is it better than Similans?
Yeah, 100%.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
So you would
Crystal
say
clear.
go there rather than Similans?
100%. All the time.
So the other thing, as I'm just jumping
And it's
ahead,
quieter.
but also Similans is
Islands
a
overcrowded.
2-hour, don't see anything, whereas down here you're going to see a few islands, or is it still pretty open sea going down there?
No. It's you'll get the formation. You'll come and see Phi Phi on the way and go past it. And also at Koh Rok, we can't take the boat into the beach, but you can swim in, and it's a beautiful, beautiful beach.
Can you?
Yeah.
What's that there? It's a dog.
Yes. So normally 1 or 2 snorkeling spots here at Koh Rok. The boat can just move around the 5 islands and find some. There is a beautiful underwater cave here, so if you're a diver, you can go. Don't hit the camera like last time. You can go diving through the caves here, which is really cool.
Can you?
Yeah. Yep. Once you've done Koh Rok, normally I would go down to Koh Rok Noi. Koh Rok Noi is on the right-hand side, which is the...
Sorry, I'm just making a joke to myself about diving in caves, but I thought I'd keep it to myself.
Yeah, it's
'Cause
a
it
good
was-
idea.
oh,
Koh
yeah.
Rok Noi is starboard.
What is-
Right.
Starboard.
Yes.
Okay, here we go, right? There's no port left in the bottle. That's how you remember that port is left. Okay, and what colour is port, the drink port? Okay. Yes, right? So the red light is your port light.
He's a good
And
teacher.
green is your
Do you know
starboard.
that Jay is a licensed instructor for captains?
Well, no, I'm actually a senior instructor sailing.
Oh, look at that.
I'm also
He's also trained a bunch of actors.
I'm also a senior instructor in open boat canoeing and kayaking.
And soon he's going to be a senior instructor in safety by, what did Mike say?
Yes,
Boss.
I was thinking of doing a safety course to become a safety officer. I could bring Safety Bob. Safety Bob hasn't shown up for years. Wow.
See so many characters you haven't brought back.
Yeah.
Anyway, you go to Koh Rok Noi. Normally what I would recommend is bring the boat up to the beach.
Sorry, you mentioned there's no food, so they have to order packed lunches first.
Pack lunch or bring it from the hotel.
Okay.
And normally after Koh Rok, we're going to go to Koh Rok Noi and we're going to do a picnic on the beach there. You can snorkel, and Jay,
Yes.
the coral out of Koh Rok Noi is stunning. Colourful, what do you, shapeful? Is that even a word?
Shapeful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Think so?
Someone Google that, check that's a word. Or ChatGPT, correct it. Can they do that now?
Miguel can do it. Just ask
They can
Miguel.
AI our
No,
voice and
if you talk to Miguel, he'll do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Do it, Miguel.
Anyway,
What? You don't know where you were you?
no, I'm doing lunch on the beach.
Can I just ask-
Rockaway.
They're allowed. We don't have alcohol on the boat, but if you want to take a few beers down, you have to pre-order them. And are we allowed to take beers down? Because I know there's been rule changes, and that's what I worry about.
Outside of the national park, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just have to be careful when you're drinking alcohol because they don't.
Listen to the guy that tell you where and when.
Yes,
There
exactly.
you go.
Yeah.
Like that. So yeah, we're having lunch at Koh Rok Noi. We're doing a bit of snorkeling. We take the boat out. We're going to go and hook up with a little boy and do a little bit more snorkeling. You should know that this is a full-on snorkeling.
Sean had to shout there because there's a long tail going past us very loudly. We'll just wait for it to go. We'll just pan a little bit.
1 hour later.
Anyway, so once you're done Koh Rok Noi, we're going to go over to Koh Rok Yay. Good news is that they're opposite each other in just a few minutes. And if you go to Koh Rok Yay,
Yes.
during August, September, October, you might see a waterfall just like this. You see that?
I hope we've got a copy of the waterfall.
Yeah, we do.
Um,
Wait, look.
Can I just ask, is Koh Rok and Koh Rok open now?
Yeah, open.
It's open all year.
No, they're closed for a few months, and Kyle will
Huh?
You should
show
tell
now on
people
the
then.
screen. Oh, yes!
You like
Believe
it,
it.
don't you? I know. When is it closed?
I
Do you
even
know?
remember
When-
that
when
it was
is
a
it?
new video guy, Kyle.
That's not Kyle, it's Miguel, you do. Honestly, sorry, Miguel. Sean's not done this for a little while.
Very long time, man. I don't know anything I'm doing. Anyway, once we go to Koh Rok Yay, we can walk on the beach. We can see the waterfall if it's there. But remember, it's only at the end of which season that it's there. We can go snorkeling. Once we finish at Koh Rok Yay, normally we're going to come back towards Phuket. And again, we're going to follow the same route. And generally, we want to stop at Rang Yay where they can do what?
Well, at Rangay, you can go jet skiing, you can go ATVing, you can have a nice cocktail, you can have a pina colada.
You see the goat?
Brian the goat
Is he
has
still
got
there?
Brian the
Did
goat
they cook him?
has got a wife.
Really?
Brian the goat and Brian's wifey have been having some fun because there's a couple of baby goats there And if I'm right, I reckon they've done something to create baby goats.
Wow.
And they've got monkeys, but they've actually roped it all off now. You can't actually go and see them anymore. They've actually...
They have monkeys.
Yeah, they got monkeys to go and get the coconuts.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And I heard that Ranye, apparently, they're going to build some big entertainment complex.
Yeah, whatever. Good luck with that.
That'll never happen.
Yeah, exactly. They've got a ferry port on there. They haven't thought about tides or depth of water.
That's a big problem with that.
Yes. Anyway,
So
can I just ask a question about Koh Rok? A serious question about Koh Rok and Koh Rok?
No, you can't.
Okay. Is it for everybody?
Um,
So young families, older generation.
well, I've been there with Amy and her kids. And when Hunter
Oh yeah,
was
because
like
they know
22.
you know who Amy is, yeah?
Here's a photo of Amy. Here's Hunter. Oh, no. Easy. Anyway, so look, it's a long travel time. If this is your first time on a boat in the open sea, don't recommend going with kids. If you're a couple or you're an adult group and it's your first time, that's fine. For kids, I think there's closer in spots that you can do as a first time experience. With that said, if you're looking for something that's really away from the crowds, has colourful coral, has good marine life, this is a place that ticks all those
Should I
boxes.
do it for my 50th?
Yeah, when's that, next year?
January, I told we had this conversation already.
Oh, yeah, no, I've forgotten already.
January.
Okay, we're
All
going,
right.
we're going there for Jay's 50th.
What did we?
Oh,
Invited.
it's my boat.
I just want the boat.
I'm captain.
God.
Yep.
Okay.
Anyway, that's the Koh Rok and Koh Ha. The only thing to remember is make sure that you check weather with us before you go to make sure that it's a comfortable ride. That's it. See you later.
Is that it? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, done.
Thanks for coming back, Sean. Anyway, there you go. Koh Ha and Koh Rok. I've never been there, but if you wait...
We're going to do building on out here.
What's they doing on up here? Anyway, if you wait 6 months, I'll actually do a live video and I'll do a video down there, which will be nice, but you have to wait 6 months. Anyway,
I haven't been here so long, I didn't know they were going to be building.
What is that? I'll go and explore in a
How
minute.
do you not know they've got a new building?
Because I don't come to the pier very often. I do the weather at home now.
You would.
Anyway, go away, gotta wrap this up. This is
Bye.
boring. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. If you've got any questions about Koh Ha or Koh Rok, please comment below and then we'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We're asked, where is Koh...
He's not done it before.
We're asked, where is Koh...
Hold on. They used to call him One Take Sean. Not anymore.